Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites: basic arithmetic, fractions, and percent fluency. Take one timed diagnostic test to reveal gaps and set a realistic target score. Once done, assemble a compact toolkit, official GED guide, graphing or scientific calculator allowed, and a simple planner. Start scheduling focused 30-90-minute blocks, prioritizing weakest topics first. Doing this gives you measurable progress and prevents wasted review on already solid skill. Now you move into the intensive middle work. Break topics into manageable chunks: linear equations, ratios, geometry, and data interpretation. Focus on one concept per session and explain each step out loud as you solve. This deepens understanding. After mastering procedures, switch to mixed problem sets under timed conditions to build transfer skills. Use worked examples and annotate why each step is taken. Once comfortable, increase difficulty and frequency of timed drills so your speed and accuracy rise together. Finish by simulating the full exam at least twice, matching official timing and calculator rules, then review every mistake to eliminate patterns. On test day, you'll read each question completely and flag easy ones to secure quick points, then tackle harder items with remaining time. If a problem stalls you, skip and return. Use process of elimination and approximate calculations when needed. If anxiety flares, use box breaths and a short reset. This keeps thinking clear and helps you execute what you practiced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.